Do you remember one of the secrets to my 50-pound midlife weight loss? Hey Credos, if you've been following here for long, you will remember that one of the keys to my 50-pound midlife weight loss was satisfying my chocolate craving. About 2 years ago, I upgraded my cocoa recipe to make it a little more holistic and natural and healthy. And I'm going to share that recipe with you here today. Today, I would like to introduce you to 3 products I use every single day. The first is Viva Naturals Organic Cacao Powder. The second is Anthony's Organic Ceylon Cinnamon, not the regular kind of cinnamon, and 365 Organic Stevia. I use these every day, and this is what's in my pantry just right now, the cacao powder, because I don't ever want to run out, so I have a stash. I love chocolate. I love hot chocolate. And 6 years ago, when I decided to have a midlife makeover, one of the most difficult things in losing 50 pounds in my 50s was not having chocolate like I wanted. But I came up with a solution that includes these ingredients. Every single day, I have at least 2, sometimes 3 giant hot cocoa mugs. And let me show you how I do it. First, I put about 1/8 of a cup of the cacao powder into my mug. Then I add a teaspoon or so of the Ceylon cinnamon. Do it to taste. And then again, this has to be to your taste. Stevia drops until it's the sweetness you like. Now, here's the key. When I started out, I liked a much sweeter hot cocoa, and now I'm down to a fairly bitter cocoa, and I like it that way. I put it in my mug with some hot water, whisk it up, and then I microwave it for about 30 more seconds to make it hot enough. That's it. I will link to all 3 of these ingredients in the blog, which will be linked below in the description. I love the taste. It satisfies my chocolate cravings, and I feel like I'm getting a little sweet treat every single day, or multiple times a day. So, hope you like it too. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. Follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo. Come join us at the Midlife Tribe on Facebook too, where we are thriving midlife without the crisis. Now you go have a chocolicious day.